Come test drive this 2019 Kia Forte. This 4-door, 5-passenger sedan is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a trip computer, lane departure warning, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.